What's up, you guys? It's your girl Loverly, and I am back with another video. You see the thumbnail and the title. In today's video, I'm going to be using a Temu balloon garland kit to create a Christmas themed balloon backdrop. So if you guys would like to see the full video, make sure that you sit back, relax, and enjoy the full tutorial. I hope it'll end up be a tutorial and not a mess, but go ahead, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up, and also leave me your feedback down in the comment section below. Let me know how you feel about today's video. Let me know if you learned something. Let me know what you think about the final results. All right, you guys, so I have the Temu balloon garland kit right here, and I'm going to insert a picture right here of what the image on the listing looks like on the Temu app, so you guys will know, the direction we're trying to move in. So we have some mylar balloons, and we also have some latex, red, white, and chrome gold. And for our mylars, we have some candy mylars, and we have some candy cane mylars, and we have a couple tiny candy canes. Look, so cute. So I have some 11-inch right here. I think it's mainly 11 inches and then some 5 inches. It also comes with some glue dots and a garland strip, but we don't use that, okay? I have my balloon inflator here that I'll be using. It's the medium pump. The direct link for it will be in my description box down below. Go ahead and check them out. You guys know that I don't like when my balloons have like a cone shape, so when I inflate them, they have a cone shape, and then I just release some air from it while squeezing down on the balloon to get a more round shape. So this is how all of my balloons will be looking, and I'm going to be creating clusters of probably 8. So I'm gonna inflate all of the pairs and then show you guys how I make my clusters. So I'm starting with 2 pairs, and I'm just gonna wrap it around 3 times, and then I'm gonna go ahead and add another pair into my cluster. And then add my last pair. And that is how you'll end up with a cluster of 8. So this is how all of my clusters will be looking for all of the colors. So I'm gonna go off camera, inflate all the balloons, and then I'll come right back. Seems as if the gold only comes in 5-inch, so these will be used as accents, but the white and the red, they come in 11, and it looks like 9 inches. So yeah, that is what we have to work with. All right, you guys, so I inflated all of the balloons, and by the look of this, it's not enough. So no way I'm going to be able to recreate the picture that Temu posted as the listing, but I'm gonna go ahead and try to create a nice balloon garland. So I had set up my frame to try to recreate that square arch, but I took it apart. And I left this pole up because I'm going to start my garland on here and then cover my sign with it. So I'm gonna start on this pole first, and I recently made a tutorial on how to wrap your clusters around poles. So that's basically the same technique I'm going to be using for this one. Guys, I lost about 4 balloons so far, which is quite normal when you're dealing with balloons. So I'm gonna start with red because red is the main color, and I'm just going to be wrapping the cluster around the pole. So first I need to make sure that the pole is in my cluster, between 2 balloons. I'm sliding it down all the way to the bottom, and then I'm going to be wrapping it, and then pushing the middle so it stays. Repeating the same step. I have a cluster of white. You guys, it's really not enough balloons. Like, that's all I have left over there. And then this is all I've done. I'm gonna go in with this red cluster, but I'm gonna tie it onto this white cluster by the neck. In the cluster, I'm searching for the stretchiest neck, like this one, and I'm just going to tie it onto the stretchiest neck in the white cluster. So I got to cover the sign, so that's good. And I'm gonna use the rest of the balloons to like create something at the bottom, like make it like wider. I'm just gonna go in with this cluster and tie it in. So I'm just going to tie some 260s to attach the rest of the clusters. So since some glue dots came inside of the kit, I'm gonna go ahead and use it to attach these 5-inch fillers wherever I see fit. These are the Mylars that the kit came with. I'm going to be using glue dots to attach it to the Garland as well. Alright you guys, so this is what I created using the balloon garland kit from Temu. Let me know how you guys feel about it down in the comment section below. I want to know if you like the final results. I want to know if you learned something. Also, this is the best I could do with what I got. The only thing I would change is that removing that candy up here, but the glue dot, I feel like if I try to move it, then it's just gonna pop the latex balloon, so I'm just gonna leave it where it's at. But this is what I came up with. I think it's a very cute backdrop. Definitely not like the picture on the listing, because it's not enough balloons. But if you're trying to save some money and want to just get like a cute little backdrop for your holiday festivities, then I feel like it's a really good balloon garland kit. The balloons, the quality is not bad. Like, I lost less than 7 balloons, and that's pretty normal when it comes to like balloons. So I feel like it's good quality, but it's just false advertisement. It's not what's in the picture, and it's not enough balloons for that. But I want to know your opinion on it. Let me know down in the comment section below. If you aren't subscribed to the channel already, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and I will definitely catch you guys in my next video. Bye. You guys, for some reason I feel like a news reporter holding the mic like this, so let's get into it. But without further ado, I'm so sleepy. Some latex. Okay, then I have the Mylars that I'm going to be adding on. Oh my god, I'm so sleepy. I'm getting like... Okay, that just blew me.